talk now, later.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient. You say you're gonna pull up, but I know you only come if you think that makes us even. If I would've stayed till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your friends that I'm obsessed, now let's get real. What is it you want? You want me here, but back up a little. So I give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil. Bow 3 times, grab a protractor, measure distance between us all. Always ask first in the call, Mr. Rogers, if you're drinking from the well. I'm suburbanly suburban, in case you couldn't tell. With my shell with the
it goes without saying, but you're my best friend, my second earth. With kisses like a zombie, so warm. January had a summer sanctuary in our little suburbs. I feel you, revival. Ride with you in sunset lights. You're simply wonderful in all that you are. You're simply wonderful in all that we've got. May not be forever, could it be forever? Yeah. Outside, it's all chaos and noise. Peace had lie beneath your voice and your whispers and kisses of another dimension. Yeah.
The river flows one direction. Hi guys! We are here at Okada and it's my sister-in-law birthday. So this is the bathroom.
Turn left onto Dong Reina, then slight
I
left.
see the weight that's on your shoulders. Autumn leaves, yeah, they change and we feel older. He gave his attention to someone else, thought he could leave your heart on a shelf. You don't need that girl. You couldn't see through all of his lies and starting the fights and no compromise. You don't need that girl. And I promise you that I won't ever lie. I'll be there for you, baby. You and I can touch the sky. I'll care for you and I'll keep you in my sight. Yeah, I'll be watching, baby, to make sure this love don't die.
Hi everybody, so today it's Sunday and we have a simple date with my husband. Hello!
Hi.
So we are here at San Pablo, Laguna.
Seven Lakes.
Nasa
7 Lakes.
7 Lakes kami and this is our first time to be here. Actually, it's a family place to be at kasi madami masyadong bata and nagpi-picnic yung mga tao and may sarili-sarili silang mga baon for their lunch or merienda. So meron din dito mga nabibilahan ng mga street food like this one. Ano nga ba ito ulit?
Football.
Ayun, fishball and
Football.
And
May siomay din tsaka siopaw.
yes.
Tsaka may yung corn na may cheese.
Yes, so madami din naman. May siopaw, siomay, and may mga drinks din, like yung mga sagugulaman, mga ganyan. So, if you're interested to have a simple place na para magkakaiba naman, siguro this is the place you. So, yan. So, kainin muna namin din to and then I'll show you around later. Bye! So, bumili kami ng scramble. This one is 50 pesos only. So, refresher lang siya. Pero masarap naman. Para kang bumalik ng time ng college days or high school days. Na, mahal. So, this is our first time to be here at San Pablo. So, actually mahangin siya. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Pero, yun lang. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Mahangin siya. Because beside lake din kasi siya. So, eto siya. I'll show you around. There you go.
Time again till my story ends. Oh, I choose you. I'm all for you.
habits. Hear your name, I switch up the topic. Baby, this ain't no love song. This the last night, took way too much song. I feel free. Bright pink panties got me trying to start a family. Ain't no love in the canopy. Just light one up and dance with me. I choose you. Time and time again, till my story ends. Oh, I choose you. I'm all for you. Run away before I love you. I know you're nothing but trouble. Run away, run away. Run away before I need you. I ain't got the strength to leave you. Run away, run away. We should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there is no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. If we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours. Oh, burn these blocks down a couple miles. We could build them up until the sky was as old. I lived 100 years of solitude with you, and never questioned what gives anyone the right to believe these superstitions outside of human intuition. 'Cause tonight it's enough for me to know that you and I exist inside this paradise. And if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours. Oh, burn these blocks down a couple miles. We could build them up until the sky was as old.
The river flows one direction, and fishes, they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more to explore?